is another node we are talking about.
Okay, so we have the one line going to the tanker filling station, another line going to the pumps of the irrigation pump, small irrigation pump, and another one go to the service pumps, internal service pump. Okay, another line going to the fire pumps. So he need another node. This is the one you need for the fire pump. Correct?
Node fire pump, tanker filling.
Right. Okay, this is the
This one here.
filling. So we have this filling station outside, 5 tankers, and we have this is the pumps. So this is the main.
So this is main pump. Okay, I got it.
Big yellow.
Yeah. Just a minute, Imran, just a minute. So this is the from TSC. This one, right?
No.
Yes, this is the.
We'll go for red color. So this will be node number.
Well,
Yeah. Node number 12. Okay, good. So I will copy this one. Paste it here. So now this line is coming. Good. So this is your node number 12. What is the description? Tanker filling, right? TSE.
node number 13.
Yeah. Node number 13. Yes, correct. Node number 13. 13. So guys, if you see here, I mean, this part we have reviewed, but we are going for again review for the TSE, tanker filling. So you say any manual valve closed at pump suction. So first is any manual valve at pump suction